Hi you guys, this is your Bengali girl Asha Manya. So today I'm doing a vlog and also this is my first vlog ever. So I'm really scared, but yes, bear with me. And also I don't know like where to exactly look at, here right into the screen or into the camera, but yes. So my Dee's wedding is coming, my sister's elder sister's wedding. So her wedding is on 4th of Feb and we need some shopping and stuff to do. So today we are going to go to Boro Bazaar. It is like the wholesale market of jewelries and all the saris, lehengas and everything. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna get some good jewelries because I have got my wedding outfits, but I'm gonna show you the outfits not today, in a different vlog. Okay, so this is like I'm gonna do an episode kind of thing. So this is the episode 1 where I'm gonna show you all the like jewelries which I'm gonna buy. So yeah, and I guess you everybody have heard it. Those who stays in Kolkata, that Boro Bazaar is like the most cheapest jewelry market in Kolkata. And we are broke, baby, and we are very poor. We are broke, so we need to get some affordable jewelries in some affordable prices, but some good collections of it. So let's go. Okay, so I just came to this room to show you what exactly I'm wearing. So this is like a kurti, white color. Avoid the mess in the background, whatever is going on. So this is like a chicken curry, design kurti, white color ka, and this is like a ripped jeans. So yeah, that is what I'm wearing. Very casual and comfortable. That is the key. So let's go. Got my mask, sanitizer, purse, bag, and my keys. I also need to get some cash out from the ATM, so we'll catch you out there.
Bye.
It's actually nice. Yeah. टीका थोड़ा इसका सेम का कुछ और थोड़ा डिजाइन का
वाइड में और चौड़ा नहीं होगा।
दिखाइए वाला।
ये भी बहुत चौड़ा है, 850 का है।
मतलब मैं थोड़ा गले में ऐसा अटक
पूरा हैवी में ही पूरा गला अटक जाएगा। पूरा हैवी है।
चोकर टाइप कुछ।
ये पूरा सेटिंग है।
This is good or this one? This one I guess. এটা একটুখানি বেশি হয়ে যাচ্ছে না? হ্যাঁ একটু হেভি লাগছে। হ্যাঁ এটা আমার বেটার লেগেছে। So we just got done with the shopping and it's very chaotic over here. I think maybe you guys cannot hear me properly. So my sister is here and she's not the one getting married, by the way. So we actually got into a very chaotic situation in the ATM. I'll tell you guys later. I'll give you a story time after that. So yeah, we got done with the shopping right now and now we're gonna go and eat some stuff and ghar jaake I'll show you guys what I bought. Okay, so yeah, bye. So I'll just have some food because we are super tired, and yeah, after that I'll just catch you guys and I'll tell you the whole story, whatever happened. So we finally got in the Ola and right now we are going back home. So what exactly happened in the ATM? I literally need to give you the story time. So like pehle I was about to take the cash from my ghar ke samne se ATM, but that didn't happen because it was very crowd. So then we decided that we will be going like from my place. It was around maybe 1 kilometer. Yeah, around like 1 kilometer, and we thought of taking like a bus from there. So I was like, okay, I can just withdraw the cash from that ATM only. So now we went there and while I entered into the ATM, there was already one card inside the inside the machine, and I was really scared. I was like whose card is this? And then I had to take the card out and I put it somewhere else. Now I just inserted my card and I was about to withdraw the cash. Everything was fine. It was saying that transaction is being processed and everything. Now I don't know, all of a sudden what happened. It said the transaction failed and then the time was out, and Yeah, and after that I just took out the card. Obviously I thought, okay, I'll just get it from some other ATM. And then once I got out from the ATM bank, I got a message on my phone saying that I have withdrawn some cash from the bank, which is like not true. And I was supremely scared. My sister was scared. We literally called different customer care helpline numbers, and but unfortunately they say that we need some time to get the refund. Like, you will be getting the refund, but it just needs some time, probably like 72 hours, max to max 72 hours, and minimum 24 hours. So yeah, that was the whole situation. And like, it literally took us around 1 hour there. We were just waiting and waiting, and you know, like, I was totally blank. I called up my father, I called up like all my office colleagues and everything to like get the help from someone. And yeah, then finally we took a bus from there and we reached Boro Bazaar. And now coming to this story, Boro Bazaar. So what exactly happened? So firstly, it's the whole wedding season and we don't know, like, oh my god, the crowd was so bad, so bad. Like, literally people are like pushing us, and this is the very first time we went to Boro Bazaar. Like, at least me, maybe my D has went once. So yes, yeah, so she has went like once, but this is the very first time I went, and it was a very bad experience, honestly, because I hate crowd. I don't like crowd at all. But yeah, like, I have been to Planet and everywhere, but not this bad the crowd was. So, but yes, I got some jewelry. I will be showing you guys all of it while I go back home. Abhi, I'm very tired, so I'll go back home, then I'll catch you guys, okay? Bye. So, hi, I just got back home, got myself into some comfy clothes. Now I'm just having my tea. So, now just let's have a chit chat session a little bit. It was a very tiring day, very hectic day, because everywhere I go, I take my mom, because I am really bad at bargaining, first thing. And second thing is, Boro Bazaar, this is just my very first experience. I went to Boro Bazaar, and honestly speaking, like, you need a little bargaining experience, otherwise Boro Bazaar is not your thing. And yeah, that's what happened with me. But yes, your babe is not that bad at bargaining, okay? I did a pretty good job. I'm very proud of myself. That is the reason I took my sister, because my mom couldn't go. She had some work to do. But yes, I think I'll go one more day, because I'm not really, like, overall satisfied with my shopping. I have to get some more stuff, because I think I've got few stuff, but I'm not really satisfied enough. And I don't know, you people have this problem or not, until and unless your mom goes out with you somewhere, especially in shopping, you just don't get that satisfaction. And that is the reason I have this tingling sensation inside me that I have to take my mom. So yeah, but yes, your honey did a pretty good job, I will not lie. I'm gonna show you guys ek ek karke what I bought. I wish I could show you all the like outfits which I got. I've got one lehenga, one sari, two saris actually, because it's like a 4-day wedding. I wish I could show you. What the hell is that? So I wish I could show you, but yes, I cannot, because I have to get them stitched first. I have to get the blouse of the saris. I have to get all of them first, hekata karke. Then I'm going to show you in my next vlog. So if you guys want to see my outfits, then you have to see the next vlog. That's a kind of promotion I do. Anyways, I'm going to show you ek ek karke what I got. The first thing I got is, this is for my mom, okay? Because I am not really into heavy jewelry. This is for my mom. It's a very pretty set. This is how it looks like. So pretty, so pretty. I'm pretty sure mom loved it, by the way. Mom literally loved it. So this is some coin necklace. Kishota ball etake, I don't know. I'm very bad in this. So yeah, like, this cost around, they were saying for 800, but we got in 650. That's a good bargaining. That's a freaking good bargaining. So this is what I got for my mom. It's very pretty. Next I got is like a jhumka thing. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. Maybe in the haldi ceremony or maybe in the mehendi ceremony, जो मतलब शादी के पहले दिन होता है, which is we call in Bengali, we call it as aiburo bhat. Maybe on that day I can wear it. This is the jhumka. Okay, let me show you. Why am I not showing you guys? So yeah, this is the jhumka I got. It's a very pretty jhumka. This is how it looks like. That's how it will look. So yeah, I really like this. So the price of this jhumka was, they were saying for 300, but we got this for 250. I couldn't do much bargaining for this one because the shopkeeper was kind of rude, and I don't have that capability to, you know, fight with some shopkeeper. Well, my D was shouting, she was like, 250, are you crazy, make it 200, but he was not listening. Like a buddhu. I was like, हाँ ठीक है, ले, it's okay. I liked it, तो मैंने ले लिया. Simple. Next I got some bangles. These are like very pretty and very decent bangles. I am not into junk jewelries, guys, so please. अच्छा, तो ये bangles में they were saying 120, but we 80 हाँ, तो हम लोगों ने बोला 80. तो I think yeah, चार bangles 80 में is okay only. उतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, but my mummy was saying कि no, these bangles you should get for 50. I was like, तुम्हें जाओ नहीं कहना. So it's okay. So this is the best jewelry I've got for today. So this is how this looks like. Okay. So it comes with a choker with a mang tika and earrings. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. So this is the choker. It's so pretty. I'm gonna wear it with lehenga because I wanted something with stone and pearl, and I have got literally the exact design of it. I mean, isn't that beautiful? I loved it. I literally loved it. And iske saath we have got these earrings. I don't know, they are so beautiful. Oh my god. I mean, look at them. Oh my god. मेरे को तो बहुत ही पसंद आया है. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and let me show you the mang tika as well. I had to remove the glasses because I was looking horrified. So this is how this looks like, and इसके साथ I will pair the earrings. So this is what I'm gonna wear for lehenga, which is for reception. इसका जो price था, so they were saying it for 250 and we took it for 200 because honestly price बहुत कम था. I was expecting something like 350 or something, but when he said like 250, I was like, what? 250 is pretty less. So मतलब मैंने उसने कुछ बोला नहीं. I just gave him 200. Yeah. And I have one more thing. That is the last thing I bought for today. It is called Gajra. I hope everybody have heard about Gajra, right? So I love Gajras. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I thought of buying for my hand also, but my mom was saying that will look very odd because you're not the one getting married. So I was like, okay, fine. So yes, I'm gonna do a bun. तो मतलब मैं bun में ऐसे इसको पहनूंगी ऐसे करके. It will look very good. Yee, I love this. Okay, so इसका price था 120 and we got for 100. My didi was saying कि no, इसको 80 रुपए में कर, like you should take it for rupees 80. But I was like, no, it's fine. I loved it. तो मैंने ले लिया. मैंने इसको 100 रुपए में ले लिया. And I think the price is pretty decent because I'll tell you a thing. I was seeing an online shopping site जो Instagram पे था. They were saying the same exact यही चीज़ था, and they were saying it for 150 plus shipping. So it was like around shipping सब कुछ मिला के 200 का पड़ रहा था. तो 200 का and I took it for 100. I mean, come on, dude, 100 rupees difference, and it's really beautiful. I loved it. Okay, so that's it with this video. I hope you like this video. I'm so sorry, this is my very first vlog and I couldn't give my best for it because of this whole chaotic situation जो पहले हुआ ATM पे. अभी भी I'm kind of tensed about the whole situation जो भी हुआ because money is money, right? मतलब 1000 रुपये हो या फिर 100 रुपये हो, doesn't matter. But yes, बहुत सारा कैश था, तो मेरे को वो रिफ़ंड, आई होप मेरे को रिफ़ंड मिल जाए because every penny counts, bro. So anyways, this is my very first vlog. I hope you like this vlog. Please bear with me. I'm gonna continue this vlog. This is like the part 1 vlog of my sister's wedding, so the part 2 is coming very soon. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay positive. Bye guys.